Hey everybody, this is Jaylyn with What Jay Say, and I'll be utilizing this platform and this channel to cultivate the culture by pushing it forward and providing you with some amazing Black-owned businesses and doing product and or service reviews. So without further Wansi wraps. That is who we are honoring today. So this is a beautiful fusion, a unique patented design between the traditional head wrap and the pre-tie head wrap. So if you haven't seen the videos of people doing the traditional head wraps, I mean, they piece over here, lick it over here, bobby pin right here. Ain't nobody got time to do none of that, okay? But Miss Wansi has come to our rescue, okay? So this design, the patented design, allows you to have that look of the traditional hair wrap without having to do all the work. And like Wansi likes to say, it's an easy fix without all the beauty tricks. So let me show you what I got. I got two head wraps, two kits, and there are 3 pieces of jewelry. Transparency moment. I only purchased 1 kit in total. The head wrap and the 3 pieces of jewelry was provided to me for free out of the goodness of Miss Wansi's heart. It was not something that I requested. I come to the businesses with the proposal to allow What Jay Say brand to represent them in a review video. And if they decide to give me anything free or additional or discounted, that is up to them. That is not a request of mine. I want to spend my own money. Far too many times do we go to our own people asking for discounts all the time. You can't make it giving everybody discounts. You feel me? So the 2 colors that I got is the black and white. The black is a little, it's kind of like a faded black. It's not like a bright pop out black. This is the black and white. And then there's also the red. And this is a red and turquoise. I know it may look a little blue on the screen there, but it definitely is a turquoise or a teal color. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to go ahead and put this on. And also that if you haven't already done so, please make sure that you subscribe. I'll have the subscribe button somewhere here, and also hit the bell notification so you can be first to know the videos that I post. But let me know in the comments, do you guys wear wraps? Do you guys wear wraps? I'm not a wrap person, but I'm about to be a wrap person, okay? So this is what the main piece looks like. It kind of reminds you of a do-rag. Has the 2 tails here and the 2 tails in the back. It has this elastic piece in the back. And disregard the makeup because I had a fail. It got stuck in my earring trying to do it. Forgive me, okay? But in the inside, we have the satin, which will keep the moisture in your hair. If your edges is on life support like mine's, okay, you need the satin around them, okay? Nothing less. But this is what you put on the nape of the neck. And I am going to show you how quick and easy this is to go ahead and put on. So bear with me. Put on the nape of the neck, take the 2 outside ties, and we're just going to tie it up there. And then I'm just going to pull, tie it nice and tight. Don't worry about if any hair is peeking out, if any satin is peeking out. Everything can be tucked, okay? Tuck, 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 okay? Just getting my ears out of there. And now I am just correcting this so I don't have any hair peeking out. I have hair peeking out everywhere. Okay. So if you are I just do wraps. All I did was just tie, and tie. You will probably need to adjust it. I'm no expert, okay? But if I can do it, you can do it. Like everybody can do it, okay? I like my ties out. I mean, if you don't tuck it in, that elastic band keeps everything in. Like, I'll tuck it in and show y'all. Don't judge my kitchen either. So, do y'all like this? Is this y'all? Because if so, you can just buy just this part. You know, you don't have to buy like the kit with all the accessories, but to get more, oops, I took the wrong parts out. Oh yeah, no I didn't. To get more variety out of it, you get the kit, you get more than 12 designs and styles that you can wear your wrap if you were to buy the kit, which comes with the rose, the top knot, and it also comes with the bow. So I'm going to show you these accessories and how easy it is to attach them. It looks seamless. It looks like one piece. So first, let me throw my edges. First, I'm going to do the top knot. So the top knot is here. And on the back, it has 3 elastic pieces, 2 at an angle and a flat one, and one that's not at an angle, okay? So what you're gonna do is take one of each of the tails, go through one of the angled, and then go through the bottom, okay? That makes sense. So I'm gonna show you, and this is the same for the rose. It's the same for the rose. So I'm gonna go, whoop. Let me see if I can show y'all as I'm doing it. Go through the angled one, and then go through the straight one. And then I'm gonna just do the other tail on the opposite side, okay? Oh, that's on the wrong side, y'all. Okay, so go through the angled, down through the straight, through the angled, down through the straight, pull it, and you're done. Like, look how easy that was. So now I'm just gonna make sure my pattern side is on the outside. Pattern side on the outside. There we go. And just tie it up in the back. I don't know why I like mine to hang for some reason, but I think that is... Huh? What y'all think? I like the top knot. I like it. I like it. So that's the top knot. To take it off, all I do is just untie, pull it right off, okay? So that's the top knot. Again, the rose is the exact same way in regards to how you attach the accessory. There's 2, the rose has, this is the rose. It has the 3 elastic bands on the back side. You can manipulate and fluff this any way that you need to. Are you guys top knot, or do you know how to do all those crazy traditional wraps? Like, are you one of those blessed people that know how to do stuff like that? Like, bless you. Let me know in the comments. Are y'all one of those people? So all I'm gonna do, again, just adjusting, making sure the white side's not out. Even if it was, I think you could just tuck it, to be honest. Ooh. Come on, y'all. Don't be playing me. This is cute. Come on, Dimple. Come on. Shine through, Dimple. This is cute. I like the rose. I think I'm liking the rose so far. And then last but not least, and I also tag in some photos of each of the red in each with each accessory and without the accessory as well. So you can kind of see what that look like, even though they're exactly the same. The bow has a wire in each of these petals to allow you to kind of manipulate it in any way that you need. You see how I'm doing that? So just so you know. And then on the back, so this has on the back, bear with me one second. So on the back, This has just one piece of elastic. So you're going to take one tail through one side and the other tail through the other. Simple, easy peasy. If I can do it, you can do it, okay? So what are you guys feeling right now? Y'all liking this? I'm thinking it's super easy. I feel like in time I'll get better at doing it and I'll learn how to do some more styles. If you guys are interested in different styles, she also has a YouTube channel, Wancy Wraps. And you can also go to wancy.com and she has videos of different clients doing their different styles of using the Wancy wrap. Let's see. Let me put the pattern aside out. And I also wanted to let you guys know that if you guys know of any amazing Black-owned businesses that you would like me to do a review for, please drop it down in the comments or slide up in my DM. In my DM. Slide up. Ooh, come on now. Ooh. Ooh. Come on. I ain't even really try. I don't know. I like that mystery eye. What y'all think? Look at that. It's all cast in a shadow. Ooh. No, I like it. I'm feeling the bow. I don't know what y'all talking about. I'm feeling the bow. I am feeling the bow. I am feeling the bow. It make me feel like a little girl. Maybe because it's a bow. Maybe because it's a bow. But I'm liking the bow. Hold on. Ooh. Come on, y'all. This is cute. Do y'all like it? Have y'all liked what y'all seen so far? This is Wancy. Beautiful, beautiful, a beautiful product. Definitely a return customer from me. What about you? Are you guys about to buy you a Wancy? I think you should. And remember, if you get the kit, you have more 12 plus styles that you can be achieved if you get the kit. If not, that's cool. Just get the headpiece and get you one accessory and rock, 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 rock. Again, I don't know if I already said this, but I believe right now she has 4 different pattern designs for the wraps. I believe she is going to extend that here soon. But this is Wancy, and I thank you so much for watching. Please make sure that you subscribe before you go. Hit the notification bell. And if you guys know any businesses that you want me to review, let me know. Let me know how you feel about the Wancy wrap, and I'll be sure to let you know. I'll let you know what the jewelry looks like, and I thank you so much for watching. This channel is all about love and support. Nothing more, nothing less. Have a good day. Y'all be blessed.